Good afternoon, my name is Alejandra Zinovitz Alvarez, and I am here to do a video about an important thing that I would like you to know that it's not on my application. So through my application, you have had the chance to read about my past achievements, my experiences, and where I've studied. So now I would like to take this chance to tell you a bit more about my future goals and why I would like to do this master's at IE. So ever since I was little, I was brought up in a very international mindset. We have traveled across the world and lived in many different countries, learning different languages and meeting different people from different cultures. So I always wanted to keep that in mind and have that in my future job and in my career. So when I decided to be a lawyer, I wanted to find a way of how I could keep this international mindset in my job. So that's why I chose to study at IE and I did the LLB in comparative law so I could have a big picture and overview of what all the legal systems are. And once graduated, I decided to go to Northwestern to do an LLM in Chicago, which I just graduated from a month ago. And I concentrated on corporate law. So there I had the chance to do a deep analysis of what was common law and how the US legal system worked. And it was very enriching and motivating experience since I was studying with colleagues that were lawyers already that had been practicing from 7 years ago. So it was very motivating to see what it could be like and to learn firsthand of how the legal world works. So then my next step that I want in my career is to go back to Spain to do the Máster de Acceso and Asesoría de Empresas and to be able to qualify as a lawyer in Spain. So I could also do a deep analysis of the Spanish legal system and how civil law works. So once I am qualified in Spain, I would like to go to New York to pass the New York bar exam and be a lawyer as well in the US. That is why I did the LLM this year, so I could qualify in New York. And I think this is the way that my international career could function. By being a lawyer qualified in Spain and in US, I could have more opportunities to work some years in the US, some years in Spain, and have that flexibility that I was looking for even in the legal world. So thank you very much for listening and hope to see you soon.